Hi viewers, here in this video today we are going to do a demo about Reloops. Reloops is a one workspace to review images, videos, PDFs and websites, organize them and later on find them without juggling through folders. It acts as a digital asset management with website review in it. So let's just go ahead and sign in to see what's inside. Let me go ahead and create a new project. When I'm going to create a new project, it gives me a couple of options to either begin without a template or it gives me templates such as social media, branding, product, or SKU. With a template, it gives you predefined folders, so you don't have to go ahead and create folders from scratch. But let's just go ahead and create a new project from scratch. So I'm going to call it Solace Branding and Marketing Assets. Once the project is created, you can drop your files, you can upload the folders. I'll go ahead and drop the folders right now. Here you see that we are getting notification about smart metadata ready. So every image, once it's uploaded, it goes through a series of steps in which the AI goes ahead and adds a general description about the image or PDF or video, and then also adds tags to it. So later on, if you want to find something using tags, you can quickly find them, and also saves you time in tagging. Here you can see it preserved the folder structure. I can go inside the folders and here I can see all those assets. The moment I have uploaded these assets, they get marked as in review. Here you can see that I have on the toolbar I have got assets which shows all the folders at root level, as well as how later on I traverse through the library. It keeps on updating. We also see the Kanban view. So in Kanban view, I can see all assets, of what stage they are in, and I can also quickly filter them by who it is assigned to, what type of the file it is, what is the current status on it, and I can sort them as well. I can quickly move files between reviews status to the workflow by dragging onto them. Now let me show you how I can review an image. So let's just say I got this image and I want to leave a review on it. So first let me go ahead and assign this task to a team member of mine. Then I can annotate. Let me annotate here that choose a different font style. So let me draw a box and just add. In comments, I can also mention my team members as well. So I can go ahead and mention them, and I can ask about what do they think about it. Comments are going to send them notifications and then they can come back to it. Now let me show you the info section. The info section has all the information about the file, the metadata, and also the smart metadata that it generated. So the description about it and the generated tags. We also give the users to add their custom metadata as well. The activity tab here shows you the history about the asset and the different versions. So you can also add new version to this, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, how about if I wanted to share this asset with guests or clients who are not part of my team and I don't want to give them an account? I can go ahead and share it, and I can create a share link. Using the share link, clients can come to the website and leave a review without logging in. All they have to provide us is their name and email. Now let me show you quickly how to do a website review. So let's create a new project, call it landing page reviews. Now when I click on the add button, I can click this option of capture web page. Now let's put a URL here. So let's go ahead and add rockethub.com. Now we see the rockethub.com has loaded as a website screenshot. Our deal is going to get live on RocketHub soon. So let me go ahead and write a draw annotation and ask put Reloops deal here. Comments can also be tracked and be marked as complete as task. Similarly, these website screenshots can also be shared with the loginless review. Now let me show you how to create a collection. Branded collection are a really good way to show all the approved images or your content to your client in just one single setting. So let's just go ahead and create a new collection. The first step to create a collection is we pick a source folder. Either we can choose the library or we can further filter it down by the projects. So I'm going to pick the Solis branding and marketing assets as the folder, and then it's going to start populating all the assets from there. Now let's just say I don't want it to be grouped, and if I only want the images and the videos, so I can go ahead and put that as a filter. So what it does is if my projects are messy, it's going to create a collection and filter it down so that I can share it with my clients and they can download all of these files at once. Is any of image or video. I can also combine other filters. So I can have status, description, format, keywords, anything, and I can combine and create a filter from all of these assets. So I think I do want this for now. Now, how can I further customize it? I can also show up to 26 fields here just right away. But for now, let me remove all of them. Let me change its appearance to a large card, but let's change the aspect ratio. Let's remove the card info as well. So it's now coming along pretty well. Now let me further, if I want to, I can sort it by the date uploaded, or I can sort it by the file type. Let me change it to ascending for now. Let me put a beautiful logo. And let's set a cover image. Now another interesting fact, if I go ahead and add more pictures to the source folder, it's going to automatically populate this collection. So you don't need to come back and create another collection and go through the process again. I can share this collection just like how I share files. Let's see how it ends up looking to the end client. This is how a collection looks to the end customer, and then the client can go ahead and download it all.